Hello friends, take this 14 p.m. as an example today. Let me show you the Apple 14 Pro Max. The whole process of expanding the capacity of the instrument. The phone shows no signs of damage from bumps, almost brand new. Let's check the current memory of the phone. You can see that the memory of this phone is 128GB. According to the request of fans, we will directly expand the capacity to 1T for him. Help fans test other functions of the phone. See if there is any problem. All functions work normally. Then we turn off the phone and take out the card holder. First, conduct the intimacy test before maintenance. Put your phone into a professional intimacy detection tool. Suppress. Suppression completed. Holding pressure. Intimate by Showgood. Wear anti-static gloves and a static bracelet. Test it. It works fine. Enter the repair below. Quick disassembly. Lay down the tail screw. Put the phone into the dish fixture and fix it. Push into the hot dish instrument. Start heating. Wait for the instrument temperature to reach. Please be patient for 2 minutes. In this way, the frame of the mobile phone is heated more evenly. Heating complete. Drop the suction cup. Turn the knob slowly to turn on the screen. The knob above has torque. Use the disassembly card to assist in gently scratching around. Okay, remove the phone. Open screen. Take a look inside. The cabin is very neat. The phone has not been repaired before. Put the phone in the disassembly tray and fix it. It is convenient to continue disassembling the machine. First, put a protective sticker on the face component. Remove the screws on the baffle. Remove the screen baffle and disconnect the battery cable, screen cable, and earpiece cable. Remove the screen. Let's put the screen in the box and put it aside. To avoid scratches and soiling, remove the protective iron sheet. Remove the receiver first. 14 p.m. Take the earpiece before taking the main board, because there is another screw under the earpiece. Fix the main board. Then remove all the fixing screws from the main board. Disconnect all cables. Remove the face component. After confirming that all cables have been disconnected, let's take out the main board and take a look. Main board very bored. There is a groove for cushioning foam on the front and back. It's for the machine. The chip on the shell cable reserves a buffer position. Next, we start working on the main board. First, tear off the hard disk protection sticker and protective foam. Expansion is actually putting this hard drive on the main board. Replace small capacity with large capacity. Put protective stickers on the rest of the main board. Protect. Put it in the grinder and fix it. Start polishing the main board. Grind a 128GB hard drive into powder. This is also the most stable memory upgrade at present. The safest way. This step will grind out a lot of ash. Pay attention to cleaning up at all times. Otherwise, it will cause a short circuit inside the main board. Finished grinding. Clean up the powder left on the hard drive. Put it in the main board fixture and fix it. Deal with the corners of the polished remaining hard drive. Apply welding oil. Replace the original suction point with suction wire. Then drag the pad flat with suction tape. We scrape off the remaining vinyl with a soldering iron. Avoid a hard disk sweating after long-term use. Wipe clean. Pull out a brand new all-in-one hard drive requested by fans. Align with direct suction mesh. Implant new pulp into the hard drive. Blow with an air gun until each suction ball is full and consistent in size. Flux the pad. The air gun is heated and blown until melted. Spread evenly. Then put the prepared replacement of the new hard drive on it. Heat with an air gun until the hard drive automatically returns. It feels like it's bouncing back and forth when you push it lightly with tweezers. It's installed in place. Heating can be stopped. At this time, the main board is in a high temperature state. We took out a small hairdryer to heat the main board. Remove the main board. Tear off the protective sticker to clean the main board. Wipe clean. Then reapply the protective sticker and shockproof instant noodles. Tear off the protective film. The previous waterproof label was dirty. We put a new waterproof label on it. The main board is now finished. Before getting back to the main board, we need to deal with the case first. The waterproof glue left in it. Carefully clean every corner and groove. Avoid any impact on subsequent intimacy. Let's take a look at the effect of cleaning up. Simple overall wipe again. Steam blowing to clear the ash. Next, install the main board. Open all cables. Put the main board back in position. Then one by one, buckle back all connecting cables on the main board. Screw. Then group the face. The parts and earpiece components are installed back in sequence. Buckle up the cable. Screw. Take out a brand new original waterproof glue. Be careful to align and paste. Close the protective cover. Put the phone in the waterproof glue pressing tool. Perform the first pressure holding of waterproof glue. After the pressure holding is completed, we take out the screen. The waterproof glue is already very clean, so here we go. Just wipe and clean it up. Pay attention to check the front camera. Guaranteed no dust. Then remove the protective cover, tear off the waterproof glue protective film. Buckle 3 battery cables and screen cables. Install and fix the screen. Put back the battery baffle. Fix each screw to its position. Hit the appropriate torque in turn. Go through the whole cabin and blow the ash. Tear off the protective sticker of the face component. Go through the air blowing to clear the ash. After the cleanup is completed, tear off the remaining waterproof glue protective sticker. Close the screen. Put the phone into the waterproof glue pressing tool. Perform the second pressure holding of the waterproof glue. Restore the waterproof and dust-proof properties of the mobile phone to the greatest extent. Take out the phone after the pressure is maintained. Make sure the front camera is clean again. Next, put on the tail screw. End of installation. Now for the post-repair tightness test. Suppress. Suppression completed. Holding pressure. Intimate after passing the repair. The phone is still perfect. Maintain factory-grade waterproof and dust-proof performance. The phone will not turn on after replacing the new hard drive. You need to connect to the computer first to swipe the machine. To return to normal, brushing the machine can only brush the latest system. Successful flashing. After swiping the phone will come to the activation page. Let's activate it. Activation complete. The phone enters the desktop normally. Let's take a look at the data now. The phone memory has been successfully displayed to 1T. Expansion completed. Let's check the other functions again. No problem. Put it back in Kato. Turn off your phone. Enter the final step of phone cleaning. Wipe all the fuselage case and screen clean. Send a new tempered film to fans and stick it back. Stain the dust. Wipe all fingerprints clean. Let's see the effect of cleaning up. Are fans still satisfied? This is the end of the expansion of this 14 PM unit.